We're here at the Red Bull Festival Day as part of the Quorn Family Tennis Cup. It's a fun, family-friendly tournament. It's a chance for adults to play with their child or their nephew or their niece and just have a really good experience getting on court, hitting the ball and just enjoying tennis.
I think it's great. A whole load of children and mums and dads here playing tennis, running around, having fun. I think it's fantastic.
Playing as a team is a bit more fun. Definitely easier for the little kids to learn how to play if they're playing with someone.
There's a competitive element, but it's more importantly, above everything else, about fun.
I just like practicing it and hitting the ball, and it's just something I can do with my dad. Lots of fun.
I always like to play to get better and better.
A lot of the times with tennis, the parents are just the chauffeurs, so it's nice to see how many parents here and actually can play with their sons and daughters. Quite refreshing to see. I've never seen a competition like it.